Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I've bought you a very special plane for me, probably one of the rarest I have in my collection. But before going into the video, I want to apologize because I've been absent for a long time, but that's due to the fact that I'm in college and it's been pretty rough at this moment, so that's why I've not been able to upload until now. But I'll try to upload more videos. So let's go into the video. Well, first of all, this is a Big Bird model. I know it's probably not very known. I don't know them especially, but the special factor of this model is the Casino Express. It's a duo, so we have the queen and the king. The box, here's the look, so if you want to take a closer look. Yeah, it's in German, and I don't know what's the other language over here. If I'm correct, this was made in 2004, but I'm not too sure. Maybe older, maybe not so old. But let's continue. So here's one. And let's see if we can get it from the side. That's quite tough to get it. Here it is. Right. So this is how they come. Pretty nice. All packaged. This is the one. This is the other one. These ones, they've never been on any type of exhibition. They've always been at the box because, since these are pretty rare, I don't want to risk them at any cost. I got them at an online auction. I don't remember the price, but yeah, there. So let's begin with the queen one. Comes with the plastic, of course, but so here it is, pretty small, really small. Like for a reference, I've got a battery, so you can see. Okay, so any detail, so pretty nice. I mean, imagine this old model and the scale. I'm not a really huge fan of 1:500, but it is what it is. It's the only way I could get a Casino Express combo, and I took the chance. And I don't regret it. Here's the other one. King. Nothing on the belly. Again, well done. Really nice. So let's continue with the video. So we'll go for some shots and later on with extra details for this both aircraft. So stick around. Now going to the details of both aircraft. Well, we first let's go ladies first. So we've got this 737-200 with registration number November 457 Tango Mike. Of course with the Queen, Casino Express, those classic engines from the 737-200. Then Elko Nevada. The nose. So as far as I can tell, only the rear landing gear do have, the front landing gear is all black, but the other ones do have their contrasting rims. Then to the King one, we've got of course the King, then the registration number November 456, which actually they are one. The Queen ends with 7 and the King with 6, so pretty nice. Then we've got again the Elko Nevada, Casino Express, pretty much the same with different livery. So here are together, so if you want to see them side by side, let's turn them. So yeah, here they are. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.